Tutoring with the Lightning Squad, Super Speller. Super Speller is the activity where pupils apply their phonics to spelling words and learn spelling patterns. So if I click into Super Speller, and I'm going to unmute the site and click Start, and you'll see that Jane is the reader, she's in the green box. Sean is the coach. So Sean can click on the audio button if Jane needs to hear the word again.
Sips.
And Jane uses the tiles to spell the word. Sean clicks on Next.
Glad.
And Jane uses the letter tiles to spell the word. Sean clicks on Next.
Back.
And if Jane makes a mistake, then the computer will give her an audio and visual clue for the correct letters. Sean clicks on Next.
Flock.
Oh, and so Jane has made a mistake, so she needs to click on the right letter.
Help.
Sean clicks on Next.
Hit.
Sean can click on the audio if Jane needs to hear it again.
Hit. Hops.
And Sean clicks on Next.
It's half time. Get ready to swap.
Hum.
And when Jane has completed her 7 words, it's Sean's turn to spell the words. So Jane is now the coach, so she can click on the audio button if Sean needs to hear it again.
Hum. Still.
So that's Super Speller, the activity where pupils are applying their phonics to spelling and learning spelling patterns.